GRC is the codification of governance, risk, and compliance. Regulatory mandates to help define a framework by which you manage both risk and to some extent cybersecurity initiatives to help drive a security posture. A weak GRC strategy will lead to inequities and a lack of documented evidence behind how you do information security. A strong governance, risk, and compliance strategy will lead to efficiencies in technical controls, right? What products you buy, it's IT dollar optimization, it's risk reduction, it's all the good things that everybody wants in a security program is measured and roadmapped off of a GRC strategy. The financial benefits to adhering to a GRC strategy can be as measurable as that IT dollar optimization, right? If I know where the holes are, I can say, well, I don't need to re-spend on this widget again. I can focus on fixing this hole. So nobody's going to pay you to be compliant. You will pay less for other things if you're compliant. Not to be cliche about it, but people define the policies that are implemented by the technology, right? So you need the right people with the right mindset, skills, and experience driving the creation and enforcement of the policies that govern identity and access management, data protection, business continuity, disaster recovery. And then you need the technologies to actually enforce the strong identity policies. Right now you're talking multi-factor authentication, you're talking endpoint protection, you're talking anything that is in the cloud or on-demand compute space. There's different technical controls that would apply to those environments, and bringing all of those together into what I like to call manageable, measurable, and repeatable, that's adherence to a GRC framework. Right? Meaning I'm a volunteer firefighter, and I live in a county in Pennsylvania identical from a square mile perspective as the city of Philadelphia. The city of Philadelphia has one fire department, 15 engines, half a dozen ladder trucks. The same square footage county that I live in has 85 fire departments, 130 engines, 65 ladders, 300 chief's cars, because that municipality pays for it, not that municipality. We've had instances on working fires where one fire department won't give water to the other fire department because it's not their municipality. Whatever the relatable criteria is by which you say, I'm not going to help you put that fire out, directly relates to why HR won't talk to information technology, won't talk to the governance guys, won't talk to the compliance people, won't talk to the finance or legal, or everybody's got their little slice of the pie. And it's one of the challenges that my team brings is building those bridges cross-functionally to help them understand the bigger picture and drive towards the common goal of improving everything.